What a lovely day. Hello, Jake.
Hello, Kipper.
What have you got there?
This is Fluff, my pet bird. Look.
Ah, hello, Fluff. Look, Jake, he's ringing his bell.
Yes, he does that when he's hungry.
Oh, what does he eat?
Sunflower seeds. He loves sunflower seeds.
I haven't got any. What about cornflakes?
Oh, yes. He loves cornflakes. You like your cornflakes, don't you, Fluff?
Great, I'll go and get some. There. Hello. Want one?
Kipper, would you like to hold him?
Could I?
Yes. Hold up your paw.
Hey! I wish I had a bird like Fluff.
Hello, Kipper. You've got a bird on your head.
Oh, no! Quick, Jake!
Fluff, come back! Fluff!
Come on, Kipper. It's behind you.
Pig, catch him!
Careful, Pig.
Oh, missed.
Fluff! Fluff!
Silly pig, you let him get away.
Oh, Fluff! I'll never see him again.
I'm sorry, Jake. I'll help you find him.
Yes, that's it. We'll form a search party. Don't worry, Jake. We'll find him.
It's no good, Kipper. We'll never find him.
We need to split up. Pig, you go to the duck pond, I'll go to the swings, and Jake, you go back to the house, just in case he comes back. Fluff! Fluff! Where are you? Fluff! Fluff! Where are you? Fluff! Fluff! Excuse me, have you seen a little blue bird? Where else could Fluff be? That's funny. It's still squeaking. Oh, hello. We've been looking for you everywhere. Come on, Fluff. Hop on. Whoa, wow!
Any luck, Kipper? I could only find ducks.
Shh, Pig, look.
Oh, there it is. How are we going to get him down?
Well, I tried, but I can't reach. Pig, if you sat on the swing, I could climb on your back.
Oh, we could try. Ow, Kipper!
Keep still, Pig.
I am keeping still. Ow! Careful, Kipper. I wish you'd hurry up. You're giving me a headache.
Nearly there, Pig. Oh! Squeak!
Look, Kipper, Fluff came back.
Oh, so whose bird is this?
Well, he isn't mine.
I wonder where he came from.
I don't know, but we better try and find his home.
Do you think he's got a name?
What's your name, then? Have you got a name? Squeak. It must be Squeak.